Join me as I put the Infinix Hot 40 Pro to the test and see if it's really worth your hard-earned cash. The Infinix Hot 40 Pro is making waves in the budget smartphone market. And for good reason, it's positioned as an affordable option that doesn't skimp on features, making it a potential sweet spot for those looking for a reliable phone without breaking the bank. When considering budget smartphones, performance often tops the list of concerns. Will it handle everyday tasks smoothly? Or will you find yourself frustrated with lag? Then there's camera quality. Can it capture life's moments with clarity? Or will photos look grainy and disappointing? Durability is another big one. Will it withstand the accidental drops and bumps? Or will it be prone to damage? And let's not forget about battery life. Will it last you through the day? Or will you be searching for a charger by mid-afternoon? The Infinix Hot 40 Pro comes with some impressive specs, including a large display, a powerful processor, and a high-capacity battery, Its design doesn't feel cheap, with a sleek build that could easily pass for a more expensive phone. The camera capabilities are also noteworthy, with a high-resolution main sensor and features like AI enhancement. In terms of battery life, Infinix claims it can easily last a full day, but we'll have to put that to the test. Compared to its competitors, the Infinix Hot 40 Pro seems to hold its own, but there are always trade-offs when it comes to budget devices. What really sets the Infinix Hot 40 Pro apart, though, is its performance. In our tests, it handled demanding games and multiple apps with ease, without any noticeable slowdown. The camera also surprised us, capturing detailed photos even in low-light conditions. And when it comes to battery life, it indeed lasted a full day, even with heavy use, These are areas where budget phones often fall short, but the Infinix Hot 40 Pro seems to defy expectations. In conclusion,